Hello, today I'm going to talk about how to do this. See that I have two quads. I got this green one right here, and I got this one with the blue canopy right here, and they're both plugged in. I have a switch. The blue one is on. It's not armed, but it's active, which means that the camera is on, the video transmitter is transmitting, and this LED is on. If I want the green one to be on, I hit a switch, and that one's on. So this is a property of RealPit, but it requires a little bit of setup in Betaflight, so I'm going to talk about that. Move this up here, and look at this. So, first thing I gotta do is connect to the quad in Betaflight. It's gonna take a second because I can't do that other thing while it's plugged in. Hopefully this isn't too long and annoying. This is the blue one. Connect up. Bam. Alright, and we're going to go to the Modes tab. This is assuming you already have RealPit set up. So if you do, you should have this user 1 down here. And you can see that I have user 1 on aux 3, and then I have it sort of in the middle range here. So that when I hit the switch, you can see it move from 1,000-ish to 1,500. And you can see when it's at 1,000, the RealPit is off. When it's at 1,500, the RealPit is on. The only other things you have to do is go up to this failsafe. And what I'm going to do is you can hit add range here and add an additional line. I don't want a third line, so I'll turn that off. But when you start, that will probably be 1. And you can see failsafe is also on aux 3. So the same switch that controls the RealPit also failsafes the quad. Remember, the RealPit had the VTX turned on when we were in the middle, so I just have the quad failsafed at the top and the bottom of the range. This failsafe I also have LED low connected to. LED low turns your LEDs off if they're addressable. So LED low has the LEDs off at the top and bottom of the range and on in the middle. So that's it. If I want to have another quad set up, I just pick a different range. So let's go over the green one real fast. Look up to that one. Right, so this is a different quad than the one I just had turned on, or the one I was just showing. I go over to modes, and here it says fewer modes. If we go to user 1, you can see the VTX is only turned on at the very bottom of the range. This corresponds to the switch up on my VTX. So switch up, the VTX is on. Switch in the middle or down, I have this LED low just like before, and I have the failsafe just like before. I don't have to have additional rows for this because I don't need to have a range where in the middle it's off and on the outsides it's on. I hope this is helpful. Shoot me a message or anything if it's not. Again, this all assumes that you set up RealPit correctly, but the Chinese LEDs tutorial for that is actually really great. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. Talk to you guys later.